Inside this box, we have a bit of magic, a healthy dose of wonderful, a handful of amazing, and a brand new size 1 Wonderseat Space paediatric wheelchair seating system from Spex. Let's open it up and take a look at what's inside. As you can see at first glance, the box and packaging has our fun little wonder prints across it. The packaging itself can even be used to life for play and interaction. As we unpack the box, we can see that everything has its neat place inside. First, we'll pull out the back support, coming complete with lateral hardware, lateral pads, and mounting points for the wheelchair. Next, we'll pull out the cushion, pre-mounted to the seat pan, complete with thigh support hardware if required. Wonderseat head support pad, complete with the Wonderseat branding on the back. Next, we'll pull out the anterior chest support harness, pelvic positioning belt. In one corner of the box is where you'll find all of the mounting accessories. Compact head support mounting, compact back support mounting, and a range of mounting for the seat pan. And finally, in this section of the box, for this unit, we have the medial thigh support. Last but not least, the largest section of the box, we have the arm support pad and lateral thigh support pre-mounted with the hip belt mounting plate, complete with tool-free adjustable arm support pad. And right at the bottom, best part, Wonderseat Bit Box. A great storage place for all of those little bits and pieces that come with the Wonderseat that parents need to be able to keep safe. And that's it. And there we have it, a finished Wonderseat paediatric seating system. We think it looks pretty cool. Throughout the design process, our aim at Spex was to create much more than just a paediatric seating system, but to create a world of wonder, a fun and happy environment, and a superior experience to accompany it.